Yo, what's good, Grizzly Sneaks? Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy, Big Grizz, man, and we back with another sneaker unboxing, man. We usually do an intro and everything, but there's honestly no point being that these already came out. You know what I'm saying? Y'all should already know the box. If you know the shoe, it just came out. Let me see. Let me grab my phone. They just came out. You know it's crazy? I hit on these on sneakers, but I don't be like dates. I don't really like. I do so much within these days, man. They all just a blur. Like I don't pay attention to the days anymore. Honestly, the dates I'm honestly looking forward to is my birthday and August 20th, and that's when I'm leaving for Jamaica. So let me see. Let me get the exact day these came out. These came out. Hold on, man. I don't know, bro. Whatever. Hold on. I don't know, man. Y'all know these is the fours, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I just, my mind is just gone right now. These is the fours, man. These is what they're calling the UNC fours or something, man. You know, it's crazy. Now that I have these in hand, I want them. I did sell them. If y'all watch my vlogs, I sold these to my cousin. And the only way, you know what I'm saying, I ain't that type of person that gives something to somebody and then take it back and all of that stuff. So I ain't gonna do that. Only way is maybe if he'll let me buy these back, but these is just so pretty, man. Look at these shoes, man. Now Jordan, I ain't gonna lie, they did their thing with these, man. Now I told you I couldn't figure out the date, but I know it was like what, like last week. It came out like last week. I hit on sneakers. I didn't even think I was gonna hit. I don't know what's been going on with sneakers lately. I just been hitting like just every shoe that's been coming out. I hit on the Travis Scotts, you know, I hit on the Raging Bull 5s, which I sold too, which I'm getting back. You know, it's crazy. Every shoe that I recently sold, I'm getting back. I'm definitely grabbing these again. I'm really upset, man. Look at these shoes, man. Look at these shoes. I'm really upset that I'm letting them go. Cause I got them for retail, and I'm letting them go. And next time I grab them, I'm gonna have to spend like $350 on these, man. But you know what? They're gonna be mine. But look at the details, man. This was a beautiful shoe. I love the netting. The netting is beautiful. It looks like the old netting. Like I don't know. We got the little Oreo little effect on here with the gray. You know, gray is my favorite color. Not to mention the tag. And it's just a different shoe. It's just this blue and this suede on this blue hits, man. Like I swear, sometimes pictures don't do it no justice. It's all about in person, man. Like that's what I feel like about some shoes. Like you have to see some shoes in person. These are beautiful. I'm so mad I'm letting go of these because these belong right up there. Y'all know I've been selling my collection because I'm a size 11 now, which these are a size 11. I'm an 11 now, so I've been selling all my 12s, and it just it hurts, man. It hurts because y'all know I had some heat, man, but these is just this hurt even more, man. I honestly didn't even want to do this unboxing. I didn't even want to open them. I honestly just wanted to tell my cousin they was here, but I had to do this for the channel because these are crazy. Look at this shoe. Oh man, Jordan. I need these. I need the UNC ones. I need the Raging Bull 5s again. I need them stealth. What is them stealth 5s? Because them was so clean. Just that white and that blue. I need them again. I need the Jubilees again. Because now that I know my size, like I actually want them because they are black shoe. I know I could. Bro. So much shoes I'm about to get again, guys. It's not even funny, but we got these fours right here, man. It's just, see the Air Jordan on the back of the tag, man. I don't want to stress it out too much because, like I said, these aren't my shoes anymore, man. Unfortunately, it took me a lot to text my cousin, man. You know, I'm not a shiesty dude. You know, there's some shiesty people out here. If I was a shiesty dude, I'd have just sucked my cousin the cash app of his money back, and you know, wouldn't have said nothing after that. But I ain't like that, you know what I'm saying? I keep my word, you know what I'm saying? I look out for family, cause yeah. But these are so look. These are so pretty, man. Oh my God, man. These are so beautiful. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe. This video is more for me anyway, because I just need something to look back and just to know that I had them in hand. Like, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is going to be posted on the main Grizzly Reactions channel, because, you know, this ain't in my personal collection. These is getting sold, but oh my goodness. Look at this shoe. Oh my God, man. It's just like, I didn't know this blue, like you could make this blue, like this blue existed in person. Like, this blue is so pretty, bro. It's like sky blue, man. Like, oh my God, this blue is so crazy. Oh man, I can't wait to get this shoe. I can't wait to get this shoe for me, man. But since we doing this, so I'm dropping this on my Grizzly Reactions channel. What's coming next, y'all? Honestly, the 13s is on the way. I ordered them from a UK site, but I ordered it the day before they came out. But I don't even know what's going on with that. I kind of regret it because I don't know what's going on. Like, the tracking just stopped. It's been like 3 days. Like, I ordered them, I think on the 1st. Yeah, I think I ordered them on the 1st. It's like, what? It's the 4th. Like, it's the 4th, man. Like, I don't know what's going on. So, I'm waiting for them. But I'm trying to grab some shoes this week. I don't know if it's some Dunks, Jordans, whatever. I'm trying to grab something, man. Because I honestly haven't grabbed nothing from my personal collection. I just been grabbing stuff to flip. Like, I grabbed these women's Dunks. I'm definitely flipping them. I just sent 3 more shoes that should arrive to StockX tomorrow. So I should get that payment by the end of the day this week. So, yeah, definitely buy some shoes, man. Definitely. At least 2 pair. Like, I'm going crazy, bruh. Like, I miss buying shoes, and I haven't. And this got me low-key mad because these are so perfect. Looking at these got me mad because it's like they could have been mine, but you know, I wanted to look out for my cousin because he couldn't grab them. So it was like, here, kind of. Almost like a birth. I don't know. Like, it was just like, here, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, now I regret it, but hey, it is what it is. I'm going to get them back for sure. But like I said, next, I honestly don't know. Let me see, man. Because I want to leave y'all with something that I might be copping next that y'all should be looking forward to. Let me go on my list on StockX. I got a list of shoes. You know, because StockX is technically cheaper than GOAT. I'll just be real with y'all. So I get my shoes from StockX. I'm just being real, you know. But let me see. Honestly, maybe them Raging Bull 5s, man, because I really want them. So that might be the next shoe that I grab this week. So y'all stay tuned. We got a lot more coming. These will be back. And the next official video will be on Grizzly Sneaks. So stay tuned. Subscribe to Grizzly Sneaks. But this is a video for me right now and for y'all, man. Because y'all know y'all part of the fam. So there's some sort of way this going to y'all too. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We out here. Big Grizz.